sun, my moon, my stars, I do adore. Way thou gazest upon me. When they're joking or when they think me unaware, I will never leave your side. His hands are gentle and soft, His gentle touch and sweet embrace make my pulse quicken. I cherish the beauty reflected in your eyes. Your bright and clear glow reveals your true nature in flames my love even more. I savor how thou dost kiss me, lips pliant and sweet. Thou dost steal my breath away. My heart will forever be yours. Mine glorious, every part of thee I cherish. I pledge my eternal loyalty to you. For in my heart beats thine, and in thine beats mine, from now on and forever until